Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBot Solutions. Hope that you guys are all having an amazing Wednesday, and I'm here to kind of give you a little quick live stock market update. I have Remy with me today, so I think she told me that you guys need to smash that like button, and it'd make her pretty happy. So we're on daddy duty. I hope that's okay with you guys, but let's go ahead and jump right into this. NASDAQ market was not doing hot today, right? sqqq absolutely killed it, up over $16,000 today. Why did I reduce my position size to only one share? I locked in profits, and this was at overbought levels. So one of the things that I want to talk about is the progression. When something loses momentum, so you guys can very easily see, we began to trade sideways. We weren't really breaking above 36.50. When there's no progression, when there's that loss of momentum, my job is not to continue to be invested in a position that isn't doing anything for me. So that is when I decided to lock in profits, and my exit was nowhere near perfect. I sold everywhere from lows of $36 to highs of $36.49. That's about it. Then, why was it actually an incentive to lock in profits early? Well, one of the things that was going on today is there was this Fed meeting with the idea of the Feds trying to reduce or cut back on their balance sheet $95 billion a month, talking about taking an aggressive approach when it comes down to taking down inflation. And then there was the Fed meeting that could, of course, influence the market. Why did I lock in profits, and why was I so eager to lock in profits? If you look at it, I did not sell at the overall highs for sqqq. Nowhere near it, right? But I locked in profits enough to make sure that I protect my downside. My job is not to predict the future. My job is simply to prepare for it, to prepare for the worst. And it's because there was a Fed meeting today that there is uncertainty. And anytime that there is uncertainty, my job is to take that into consideration, and maybe staying cash instead of being invested is a better position, right? No position is sometimes better than no position when there's uncertainty. And I'm very happy that I did, because as soon as that began, yes, the market did go up for a little bit, which I did miss out on. I'm okay with that. I'm not a perfect trader. But when the market began to pull on back, then guess what? I didn't partake in that either. And that simply presented me an opportunity here where TQQQ pulled on back. I waited for confirmation. Looks like we have some guests here. We waited for confirmation, waited for the indication of a reversal, and guess what? I took a quick little position on TQQQ, up another $700. My trades were nowhere near perfect. My job isn't to be perfect. My job is simply to make sense of my trades. So again, if you guys have any questions that you guys would like to ask me, first link in the description is for our free Discord. And again, if you want to be able to watch me trade live every single day, that's that second link down below. Really do appreciate you guys' time. I hope that we earned a thumbs up. Again, it's never a bad idea to lock in profits, especially during uncertain times. I have to cut today's video a little bit short, but make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you smash that like button. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.